Restores and improves clarity on yellowed, oxidized or sun-damaged headlights and taillights. Provides professional results in 4 easy steps with long-lasting results. Lens Repair Renew Clarifying Compound is formulated to remove scratches, swirl marks, and severe oxidation better than ordinary compounds. Ceramic Acrylic Resin Wipes seals to protect to prolong plastic clarity for over a year. Kit components: Precision Polishing Pad, Headlight Lens Repair Renew Compound 2 fluid ounces, Ceramic Acrylic Wipes, pair of protective plastic gloves. Turtle Wax Speed Headlight Lens Restoration Kit is an easy 4-step solution to quickly restore and improve headlight or taillight clarity that have suffered from sun damage, scratches, and oxidation. Turtle Wax's new and improved Headlight Lens Repair Renew Clarifying Compound formula, used in conjunction with the included sanding pad, removes even the most stubborn yellowing and oxidation, leaving behind clear lenses for safer driving and visibility. Protect and seal the enhanced clarity with the Ceramic Acrylic Wipe, that resists harmful UV rays and can last for up to a year. This kit includes Precision Polishing Pad, 2 ounces bottle of Headlight Lens Repair Renew Compound, Ceramic Acrylic Wipes, a pair of protective plastic gloves, and an easy-to-follow, step-by-step instruction guide. Top reviews from the United States. Worked on my glasses frame. Wore my glasses to the beach and into the water. Came back with some white haze on the frame that didn't rub off. Tried this headlight kit and it worked. I only used the sanding pad with water and the white buffing solution in the bottle. I skipped the coating wipes because I needed them the next day and didn't have time to cure. Definitely took some elbow grease and back-forth motion. It's not perfect, but got it back to about 8/10 new.